description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got this Taiwanese variety from Wei Li. This is a shrimp flavor, premium taste. And this came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Yes, so thank you, sir. So, on the package it just shows throw it all in and boil it for 3 minutes in 500 mils of water. So that's what's gonna happen. So here's the noodle block going in. Here is the powder-based sachet, which won't surprise me if there's little bits of, yeah, there's some other stuff going on there other than just powder. And then we have they're calling it a paste sachet. So we will add that in as well. So in the last episode, I mentioned that I just got done spending a crap load of time on the phone. And it was not a very long amount of time talking to a human being. It was mostly being on hold. And I think I was on hold for about an hour. So, Christmas? I think it was Christmas of 2023. So we had a dog at the time, and my wife really wanted a spot cleaner, because it wasn't a dachshund or nothing, but the dog would leave spots, if you know what I mean. And so it was like we really needed a thing to clean up after dog. And so she wanted this little thing, so I got her this Dirt Devil spot wet vac deal thing, and it worked. She used it twice, and then it stopped working. And I've just been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And then, like, the other night, I was like, you know what? I'm going to deal with that. I am sorry it's taken me so long. I am on it. She's like, uh-huh. Well, yesterday, I ended up on hold for 51 minutes and then accidentally hung up the phone. Today, I don't know how long exactly it was on hold, but I think I called like at 11:30, and I actually got done with the call like around 12:25. So it was another lot of hold time, and then maybe like 5 or so minutes with the actual representative, who was very nice and took care of me. And she sent me an email. Here's what you do to fix it. If it doesn't work, let me know, and we'll do a warranty replacement. I'm like, okay. So I guess we will see how that goes. Boy, this really likes to boil hard, doesn't it? Look at the little bits. I don't know. They don't seem to want to. Maybe they are not to be that way. Anyways. Yeah, so it took a while, but we're making progress, folks, and I'm really happy about the progress being made. Yeah. Oh, and I got these things. Maybe I'll tell you about that on the next episode. Yeah, I'll have a little extra time. But there's more exciting things for me to give you information about, which I think you'll find fascinating and somewhat humorous, possibly. Yeah. Fascinating and somewhat humorous. Oh, I need to grab something. One moment. I almost forgot.
Huh, maybe I don't. Maybe it's already out here. Oh god, is that the sun coming out? Damn that thing. There it is. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, what do we got going? Oh, it's bits of scallion that are in there. Cool. Alright, so this appears to be a very standard export Taiwanese variety from Weili. And we'll give it a try. Man, that is hot. Okay. That might be seaweed. Where's your broth? Broth. Yep. I don't know. I've had a lot of shrimp flavored things. That does taste like shrimp. I'll give it that. I've had plenty of things that are supposed to be shrimp flavored and really don't give me that shrimpiness. Although the next one, I'm having a feeling that it's going to have plenty of shrimpiness to it. I will add a shrimp on this one. There's a shrimp. And some sesame seed and some scallion. And I figured for this one, I do have some Taiwanese chili crisp. And these guys make a bunch of different kinds, but this is the bullet garlic chili crisp. And what brand is this? Well, if you look up my roundup of chili crisps, ooh, I gotta update that too. But if you do that, you'll see this, and it's pretty darn spicy, and it's nice. A little sweet, spicy. Whew. Nice garlic bumps. Wow. But yeah, very spicy. Oh my god. And rotate. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is ayam Malaysian sambal shrimp noodles. They're dry noodle, and they have scallion on top. And this, I have a feeling, is going to be a winner. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.